children, welcome to Standard 5 English Grammar. Today we are going to learn tenses. Okay, tenses means time. Tenses means time. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. We have 12 basic tense. Okay, 12 basic tenses. Now let us see what are the tenses. The first one, present. In this present tense, simple present. Okay, simple present. Present continuous, present perfect tense, then present perfect continuous. In each tenses, 4 tenses are there. What are they? In present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Okay. In the past, next one, past, same as it is, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. The next one, future. Future, simple future, future continuous, then future perfect, then future perfect continuous. Okay, so 12 basic tenses are here. The first one present, the second one past, the third one future. In the present there are 4 tenses: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. In the past, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. In the future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Okay, now you know what are the 12 basic tenses. Okay children, you know what are the types of tenses. Now today we are going to learn the present perfect tense. What does mean by present perfect tense? A completed action within a specified time in the past verb. That means the present perfect connects the past and the present. We often use the present perfect to talk about finished actions in the past when we are thinking of their results in the present. For example, I have opened the door. The door is open now. I have opened the door is open now. The taxi has arrived. It is here now. So these are the example for present perfect tense. What is a verb form of present perfect tense? See, have or has plus past participle. Have or has plus past participle. Okay. When we use have, when we use has. For he, she, it plus has plus verb third form. That means subject plus has plus verb third form. For have, I, you, we, you, they. Have plus verb third form. This is for positive form. For the negative form, for he, she, it, has only. This is a negative form. So you can use a not for the negative form. He has not started. She has not started. So has not is a full form. The short form is hasn't. Okay. It hasn't started. So I, you, we, you, they have not started. Verb third form is past participle. In the question form, has plus he plus started. Has he started? For the question form, the verb comes first, then the subject and the verb. This is a form for the question. Have you started? Okay. For example, you have done it. You have done it. For the question form, have you done it? She has done it. For the question form, has she done it? Okay, these are the formation of present perfect tense. The following adverbs or adverb phrases can be used with present perfect tense. Already, it, recently, lately, ever, never, since, far, so far, up to now, in the past, last 20 years, just, this morning, this evening, today, during the last 10 days, till now, for example, this week, this month, etc. The present perfect is never used with adverbs of past time. The present perfect is never used in adverbs of past time. For the example, just, already, yet. The train has just arrived. I have just had breakfast. We use just to show that an action is very recent. For already is used to say that something happened earlier than expected. The train has already left. I must take a bus. I have already done it. For it means until now. It is used at the end of negative statements and questions. It is used for negative statements and questions. He hasn't repaired the computer yet. Have you applied for the post yet? So far, until, now, and ever, never in questions. So far, until now. I have read 6 chapters so far, or until now. So, then ever, never. In questions, they mean at anyone or no time up to now. These adverbs go before the main verb. Have you ever travelled by plane? I have never eaten fish. She has never talked to me. So these are the some examples of adverbs. Okay, examples and some example sentence for the adverbs. These following adverbs or adverb phrases can be used with the present perfect tense.